Today I would like to share you how to install Shazam on your iPhone 6 or your iPhone 5s, as well as the iPhone 6 Plus. You can see it require iOS 13 or later, but with the iPhone 6 or the iPhone 5s, the latest version for these devices is iOS 12.5.5, but you may want to get Shazam in 2021. That's why I make this video for you, how to get Shazam. It used to support on iOS 12, but we got a trick on how to get it. You can see if I click on the download button here, I should be able to download on my iPhone. I can download for the last compatible version for my iPhone. So when I click on download, you can see it is actually downloading, and when I go back into my home screen, it does work. So the trick on how to do this is to make sure you have already downloaded Shazam before on your Apple ID. So you can see my Apple ID here. I have already downloaded Shazam before, so that's why I am able to download it. But for you, if you have never downloaded Shazam on the Apple ID that you are currently using, you can borrow your friend, or you can use the same Apple ID from your new device. Let's say I own the new device, or I got my friend who own the new device. I can borrow their device, and then I can put my Apple ID in, and after that I can use my Apple ID to download Shazam in this new device that supports Shazam. And after that, you don't need to finish downloading the app on this device, so you can just use the same Apple ID from this one and put it on your older device, and you should be able to download it as I did in the video. So just click on the download button, then you should be able to download the last compatible version for your device. And that's the simple trick on how to get Shazam on the iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, or the iPhone 5s. And thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Then I will see you guys in the next one.